Hi, welcome to 10 Hillcrest Avenue in West Orange, New Jersey. This lovely contemporary is only minutes away from New York City transportation. From the moment you walk in, you will be blown away by the spacious open floor plan and elegant high ceilings. We have palatial windows, recessed lightings, and a beautiful hardwood floor. The foyer leads to a breakfast nook, sliding doors to a huge deck and a hot tub. This room is airy and bright and spacious. You could put a bigger table there too. The family room is large and comfortable, anchored by a cozy marble gas fireplace. Natural light streams in through these beautiful large windows, keeping the space bright and vibrant. This room features inlaid hardwood flooring. Off to this room, you have the professional design kitchen, which is generously appointed with premium stainless steel appliances and beautiful granite counters throughout. Lots of storage space, lots of recessed lighting, and you have a large granite island. Off the kitchen, you will find this beautiful formal dining room with large palatial windows, lovely inlaid hardwood floorings, floating stairways leads to upstairs where you will find 4 spacious bedrooms. There's also one in the lower level. The master bedroom includes a fireplace, a gas fireplace that is. Perfect for creating a comfortable sitting area with high ceilings, wall-to-wall luxurious carpeting. And next to that beautiful bedroom, you have your ensuite bath, which boasts a luxurious soaking tub to help you relax and unwind at the end of the day. Wall-to-wall mirror, his and her sink, granite counter sinks, one of the many bedrooms. You have here wall-to-wall carpeting. This room has lots of sunshine and sunlight coming in, recessed lighting, and cozy. Now, in addition to the 5 bedrooms, we have here a very large bonus room that can be used for a gym or a second floor den. This has full wall-to-wall carpeting and skylights. In the lower level, we house an impressive wine cellar that is sure to impress your guests. You can put a lot of wine in here for those collectibles. In the low level, we also have a walkout, which this room could be appointed for an au pair living, a billiards room, or recreation room. This room is wall-to-wall carpeting, and we have a custom built-in bar. Out from this lower level, we will be out in this large deck, which is great for entertaining, with a hot tub. This great open space has a large backyard. You can even build a pool if you like. This lovely home is close proximity to New York City transportation. Makes it easy to get into the city for work and play. The Turtleback Zoo is nearby as well. So for more information, please call me on my cell at 973-441-3422.